Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Here we got a beautiful 2025 Chevy Malibu. She is running, so we're going to take a walk around and let you listen. She sounds great. Check her out. 2025 Chevy Malibu, 13,446 miles. Practically a brand new car, barely driven. Clean title, clean Carfax, no accidents, one owner. Recently serviced as well. I don't even see any dings, dents, scratches, nothing. She's like brand spanking new. No rock chips on the hood. She's great. Let's go take a look at the inside. Inside's just as nice as the outside. Look at the roof while we're going over. She's great. And the trunk's great. All right, let's take a look at the inside. Ice cold AC in there too. Interior's in excellent condition. She's like new. 13,546. I'm not sure what I said a while ago, but I'm looking at it now. 13,546. Whew, it's hot today. Hope y'all staying nice and cool. You sure will be in this Malibu. Ice cold AC in there. Take a look at the trunk while we're back here. Let me pull this down for you. This is original from the factory. Go slow so you can see everything. .28 city, 36 highway miles per gallon. Here's the Carfax. Regular oil changes, does have the factory warranty. One owner, no accidents. And there's where the factory warranty reads. 28 months, 23,498 miles remaining. All right, let's take a look at the trunk. Oops, I dropped my papers. Pick those up in a second. Does have the compressor under there for your tires should you need it. Let me throw all my stuff back in here. Sorry about that. All right. And we'll go continue around to the passenger side. Oh, I can feel the AC when I open the door. Tell you what, it's going to be a hot summer. AC is kicking on this car. Kicks on all of them, but boy, I'm telling you what, maybe it's just so hot today. All right, let's run around and jump on the inside. Take a look at all those goodies she's got to offer. Firestone tires all the way around. Plenty of tread. I forget what they measure, but they have plenty of tread. Firestone matching tires. All right, let's take a look at the inside and cool off. Oh my goodness, it feels good in here. Okay, here's the steering wheel controls. And here's the odometer. Let's see if I can zoom in. 13,546 miles. All right, we'll zoom over here to the radio section. Let's give you a blast of music. I have to cut it down. We don't own rights to the music. We'll get in trouble. She is a push button start. There's the key fob. And the console. We do not have the owner's manual, so you'll have to Google that or get one offline. You can download it too. There's your backup camera. All right, let's go to home. And we have Apple CarPlay. My phone is not connected because I'm just doing this for you. And we have Wi-Fi. Oops, did I click it? There's the Wi-Fi. Put all your password and stuff in there. And let's see what else. We'll go back to phone. No phone connected because I'm just doing this for you. And we'll go back to home, back to audio, give you another blast. I'll turn it back down. All right, I think I've gone through everything. I'm telling you, ice cold AC. There's the backup camera again. This AC is nice. And this is nice. 13,546 miles. If you have any questions, give me a call at Kyle's Auto Sales, 704-213-0169. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Well, I guess I'll get out and give you another walk around, let you see the engine. I do hate to get out of the AC though. Feels really good in here. Yep, I just popped the hood. That was the ding. Let me know I popped the hood. We'll put the window down. All right, let's do another walk around and I'll show you the engine. And then we're gonna get back in the AC. Here's where she's been inspected. You got plenty on there. It says due in August of 25. And it's on the dash as well. I mean the windshield, you know what I mean. Read my mind here. We've been doing this long enough, you know what I'm trying to say. All right, let me pop the hood so you can see the engine. All right. Purring like a kitten. All right, down she goes. Give you another walk around and that's gonna do it. Remember, if you have questions, call me at 704-213-0169. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. And we're located at 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Come on this beautiful 2025 Chevy Malibu. She is like new. 13,000 miles, clean title, clean Carfax, no accidents, one owner. I don't see any dents, dings, or scratches. She's like a perfect car. Just sitting here waiting for you. All right. I think it's time for me to get back in the AC. It is hot out here. So look at the hood and the roof. I'm gonna work my way back to the driver's seat to the AC. Again, you have questions, give me a call, 704-213-0169. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Located at 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. All right, You folks have a great day. Stay cool. Come on this Chevy Malibu and enjoy some nice AC this summer. Thank you very much for your time. Please hit like and share. Please tell your family and friends to come buy from me. And if they do, you get $100. Oh my goodness, it feels good in here. All right, y'all have a great day. I hope to see you soon. Give me a call, 704-213-0169. Located on the web at kylesautosales.com. 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Thank you very much. Y'all have a wonderful day. Stay cool out there. I am going to enjoy this AC. Y'all take care. Talk to you soon.